Hello, my name is Rebecca Bevis and I'm a senior at the University of Massachusetts at Dartmouth. In May of 2010, I'll be graduating from the Charlton School of Business with a degree in marketing. My objective is to become part of a corporate firm to work on the departments of advertising and marketing. Eventually, I'd like to return to school to get my master's. Over the past years, I've dedicated my time and work in retail. I've had to meet standard goals and be proficient in sales throughout the store. I also worked with an insurance agency where I had to design marketing strategies using my marketing skills, and I also campaigned and did marketing research with the FBI. My strengths are Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Access, SPSS, visual analysis, and all different types of social media networking. I benefit your company because I am hardworking, determined, enthusiastic to learn new ideas, and I always put forth my best effort. I work well in a group, also as an individual. Marketing has always been what I've wanted to pursue as my future career. Again, my name is Rebecca Bevis and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.